You're on a call making a deal that's critical to your future. The other side pushes back a little bit. Tension builds. You need to stay in control, but also flexible. What can military strategy teach us about closing deals in business? The best military leaders are also experts at building relationships and negotiation. They lead with clarity, gather intel, stay calm under fire, and know when to push and when to pivot. These same tactics translate powerfully to solution-based selling. And when I say selling, I mean the ways that we persuade people every day. Just because you're not in a sales job doesn't mean you're not selling. Today, we're going to talk about how to apply battlefield-tested negotiation and decision-making tactics to win more sales ethically and effectively. The first concept we're going to talk about today, and it's not a new one if you've been watching for a while, is to know your objective. In military operations, every mission has a clear objective and everything aligns around it. When you're selling, you must know your ask, but also understand the client's mission as well. The U.S. Army has a philosophy called mission command that teaches leaders to focus on intent over control. So what we want to do is start these critical conversations by aligning on shared goals and outcomes. Always state your intent clearly and the other person's intent as well, so you know you're on the same page. Concept number 2 is to use the OODA loop. Now, we've talked about the OODA loop in other videos a bunch of times. Here's another great application of it. So the OODA loop helps you stay calm, flexible, and focused in high-pressure situations. That's what it's designed for. It's designed to help fighter pilots stay calm and focused in a high-pressure dogfight. So for a sales or persuasion application, we want to use the OODA loop like this. Observe means listening to the client. Orient means understanding their context, not just our own. Deciding means proposing a solution, and acting means moving the deal forward. Remember, it's a loop, so don't get frustrated if the client or the other person you're talking to doesn't buy off on your proposed solution the first time and they're not ready to move forward. Go ahead and go through the loop again, observe some more, reorient, decide, act, keep going through the loop, keep working towards that win-win solution with the other person until you get there. Concept number 3 is to control the environment. Military leaders choose the terrain to control the battle. When you're selling, you control the conversation with structure and flow. So you want to use an agenda, you want to have clear transitions, and you want to frame questions clearly to guide the client. Hostage negotiators also use this idea of structured flexibility, controlling the pace of the conversation while staying responsive to the other party. Make sure you're ending every conversation with a recap and action steps. That helps build trust and reduces confusion. Okay, now you've got 3 more tools to help you close those important deals whether you're selling a product or an idea. Remember to state objectives clearly, both yours and theirs. Use the OODA loop to understand and adapt what you're pitching and structure the conversation to help guide decisions. Give it a try next time you're trying to sell something, and let me know how it goes for you in the comments. If you found this helpful, like it and share it with someone who can use it. Tell us in the comments if you've ever used military strategy to close a deal. Give us your best battle-tested tactics right there in the comments. If you like what you saw here, we do a lot more on negotiation, building trust in conversations in our Be the Boss online program. 16 lessons to help you become the kind of leader you always wish you had when you were starting out. And if you're looking to train a bunch of managers on these kinds of things, check out our Leadership Academy. If you're an HR manager, an ops manager, some kind of executive where you have a bunch of managers, you need to get on the same page and leading with initiative and accountability. That Leadership Academy is a hybrid in-person and online coaching program that we use to help get those emerging leaders up to where they need to be to help you meet your objectives. All right, that's it for today. Go out there, do great things, onward and upward.